friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
JC here for another episode of Vagabond Vlogs. I have Alessia next to me. She's probably not a stranger to you guys. And we are back in Ukraine now, Kiev more specifically, after a very satisfying winter vacation in Tulum, Mexico. I'm sure you already saw a bunch of vlogs of the cool shit that I shot there. Now we're back in Ukraine, so we gotta shoot back indoors, unfortunately, because the weather is still a little bit winter-ish.
A little bit.
A little bit. Very much so. I think we still saw snow a few days ago, so yeah, full winter. They call it spring in Ukraine, but believe me, for the rest of the world, except maybe Canada, this is pure winter. And now we are back inside, so I gotta get creative again with some ideas. And I've been wanting to do this for a while. I noticed this new function on Instagram called REELS. It's kind of TikTok implemented on Instagram. So what Instagram is now doing is that they're kind of promoting these Reels videos a lot because they want to kind of take over the TikTok market. So we're gonna shoot a couple of Reels videos with a cool little transition in the middle, the typical TikTok style. And for that I bought a whole bunch of fruits. We have avocado, just because we miss Tulum so much. Then we have grapes that we're gonna combine so that we have two colors. And I have, how is that called?
Mandarin.
Mandarins. Mandarins? Yeah, mandarins. Okay, so with these three fruits, we're gonna shoot some TikTok videos with Alessia.
Look, I've been waiting too long and it shouldn't take a week. Put on your favorite dress, I see you got dancing feet. Party on a Sunday, drugs just a sleeper. Living for the moment, put it all on your visa. Mona Lisa, Bonet, Patron in the OJ. Drink to you KO, any are you okay? Good taste in music, many fresh and Coldplay. First you like to work out, no zanies or no cocaine. When Steve was chasing Laura, baby, all I want is you. When Brock was chasing Nurse Joy, all I want is you. When Thea wanted Justine, all I want is you. When Helga wanted Arnold, baby, all I want is you. But they don't listen. Can't make you feel the same way that I do.
Another thing I noticed is when I tried to upload some of my boudoir style behind the scenes videos on TikTok, I got banned pretty much a few seconds after posting my first video. So that was kind of a failed attempt at trying my introduction in TikTok. So TikTok is not my friend, unfortunately. That's why I want to see how Instagram, the Reels function, will allow me to put my censored and usually covered nude stuff, if it will allow it to be online. So that is very important to test out for me. And if it is more relaxed about this kind of footage, then this is for sure a recommendation for all photographers, videographers to use Reels instead of TikTok to get their work out there. So enough talking, let's get shooting. Scoot scoot. The standard for TikTok Reels type of videos is obviously shooting with your phone, and I am strongly a believer of using your phone more and more, even as a professional content creator, because modern day phones are very capable and it has certain usability, an ease of use that you don't always get with these heavier setups. Alessia got ready, and the first thing that we're gonna shoot with a phone is grapes. She chose grapes, so that's gonna be the first Reels.
Get on with it. Come on, get on with it. Come on, get on with it. Come on.
So the grapes worked out pretty well. We have two different and it's very tasty, also important to enjoy all the food that you use in photo shoots. We don't let anything go to waste with Vagabond. So the grapes worked out pretty well. We have two different reels that we created with my smartphone. I'm also now gonna take a few photos of her laying down with the grapes, censoring her body, because in my soul I'm still a photographer and I cannot let go of the opportunity to take beautiful photos. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Script.
They can't love you all the same way that I do. When the time is right, then you should make a move. Hope it ain't taboo.
What is your second fruit of choice?
Mandarinki.
Mandarinki. You understood her. It's pretty much the same as English, so let's get those mandarins.
Steak and portobello with the wine sauce. Think about it, social sites and sign off. But communicate more when our lines cross. When Will was chasing me along, all I want is you. When Will was chasing Tyra Banks, all I want is you. When Robert wanted Whitney, baby, all I want is you.
While Alessia is preparing the avocados, I can maybe already mention what I was up to in Tulum. You might have already seen it at this point, but I did a whole bunch of workshops, photography workshops. It was kind of a test run to learn from the experience, to understand what can be improved, how I can organize it the best possible.
Yes, he's here.
And my plan, is it a potential customer for my workshops? Yes, you're very interested? Well, that's a great decision, sir. I will send you a link for the payment and more details ASAP.
Second line.
Oh,
Okay.
another one
Too
interested.
busy.
Jesus, we're too busy. Maybe we're not selling any spots anymore, so forget about it, guys. No, but to be serious for a second, I'm gonna start organizing professional workshops this year where you can have a crazy experience with a bunch of models, a bunch of other photographers, both professionals and other amateurs that want to learn. And in this setting, I want to give you the experience, to have an amazing time, to learn from me directly, from me and Jonah, and to have a complete portfolio upgrade so that you can shoot better models, find better clients in the future. So stay tuned for that. It's called Vagabond Vacations. You can find more information in the description below. Your little dragon is on her way to us right now because she needs to give something to Alessia, and I will use this opportunity to give her a gift. More precisely, a poster of a photo that we shot a while ago, one that she really liked. And the reason I want to start giving these kind of poster photos to models is because I realized a while ago that if you only use your art to put it on Instagram, then you're kind of minimizing the effect it has, because on Instagram you're just this one little post in this huge waterfall of other digital photos. And I wanted to kind of turn my photography into something more tangible, something that you can print and give to people. Also, when it's like a bigger size, it kind of has more of a wow effect, and you kind of really can value it as an art piece rather than just a snap. Also, I guess it will have the added advantage that if the model hangs this in her room at home, that she will always remember you as, this great photographer that I shot with. So if she has a new opportunity to shoot, she will probably think about you first. You already saw it from a distance.
Oh,
so this
thank
is
you.
the one that you chose was the best one for
I
that
gave
shoot.
it, it's right time. Thank you.
Sure, it's very welcome.
Thank you, I love it.
So enjoy it.
Yeah. It's actually from Halloween.
Yeah, it's kind of a while ago. I printed it, I think, in November, but then in December I didn't see you anymore, and then we went to Tulum, and
Yeah.
life happened. Alright, that's a little bit of Alessia's dirty mind. So that's pretty much it for today. We shot 3 different fruits. We made 6 videos for Reels, and I could give it another try on TikTok, but my hopes and expectations are not too high. But let's see what Reels does. So I hope that this can motivate you guys to also give it a try. In a future video I'll probably let you know how it went on Reels, and I hope you learned something. Catch you on the next video. JC out.
Come on, get on with it. Come on, get on with it. It's what I say. It's what